Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a gift anonymously on Amazon. So first you need to log into your Amazon account and then search for the gift that you want to buy, for example a hat, and then choose which item you want to gift and then press on add to cart. Now you go to your cart and then you press this is a gift. Now you will proceed to checkout and you will input the delivery address of person that you will send the gift to, and this will be anonymous, so the person won't see your name or any details from you. He will just receive the gift and that's it. And also you can include a receipt in that gift. For example, as you can see here, you can check this option, add the gift receipt for easy returns, so the person who receives the gift can return it if he don't like it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.